Bonjour les enfants. You can remember the last we did a listening test one about with Sava and answering the things. Today also first of all you have a listening test. For the listening test the marks will be given out of 25 and you need 10 marks to prove that you passed the listening test. This is with reference to the page number 8, first one. Observe the pictures on the page 8 des affaires scolaires. Now you know the words very well with related to the school object. So if you do not know, please go through that lessons and be clever with the spellings and the pronunciation of the words for the classroom objects. Listen to the recording several times and fill in the blanks using a correct word given within brackets. Then mention the relevant letter of the picture. First two examples are done for you to get a clear idea. Now look at the first one. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Qu'est-ce que c'est? Qu'est-ce que c'est means what is it? C'est un cahier. C'est un cahier. It's a writing book. So the relevant picture for that is letter C is the picture relevant for that. Letter C. See picture. Second one, et ça, c'est une règle. Et ça means and that. Ça is an expression in French, normally in informal expression. Ça means that. Et ça, c'est une règle. And that it is a ruler. Is it a ruler? C'est une règle, like that question if you ask, is it a ruler? Ah oui. Oh yes, c'est une règle. It's a ruler. So what is the letter for the ruler? We can see in the picture I. There are so many rulers there, yellow color one, red color, green color, white color likewise. No? Okay. So you have, first of all you have to do is select the words from the brackets and write the answer for the brackets. What is the answer coming? You have to listen to the recording. You can listen to the recording several times. There is no limitation for you. You can even listen to 5 or 6 7 times, doesn't matter. The challenge is you have to write the word correctly. What are the words? Trousse, gomme, crayon, boîte, chaise, table, stylo, ordinateur, cartable, bic, calculatrice, taille-crayon, livre. Trousse, gomme, crayon, boîte, chaise, table, stylo, ordinateur, cartable, bic, calculatrice, taille-crayon, livre. These words you have to write and look at the picture in the page number 8, first one, and mention what is the relevant picture. So if you know the noun, you can see what is the picture, because picture is easy when you know the noun. So before doing this, I will ask you to listen, watch over and over again to be familiar with the vocabulary with the last Friday what you learn about the les affaires scolaires, masculine word part 1, feminine word part 2, or complete video you can see all together. So please watch it many times and get used to those words in order to do this test well. So we will see what are the meanings of these things. Qu'est-ce que c'est means qu'est-ce que c'est, what is it? Set in, it is a, answer should come there. Then the relevant letter you have to write observing the picture. Second one, set on question. We set on, same answer is coming. I didn't write the answer 2 times. Same answer is coming. Set on means is it a something? Yes, it is a, the same answer is coming. You have to find out from this what is the correct answer. Words also given for you. Next one, qu'est-ce que c'est? What is it? Set on, answer is coming there. So relevant letter you have to write. Then the sixth one, a vasi, and vasi means here is, and here is, a vasi and here is, win something there, feminine word. We set win. The same word should be repeat here and here. Now remember, fourth one, same word should be repeat. Third one word, there is no two blanks, equal blanks. Fifth one word there. Sixth one, same word should be repeat. Same word should be repeat. The meaning is, and here is a something. Yes, it is a, same thing we write. Then see the noun and observe the picture and write the letter here. Letter of the picture here. Seventh one, ऐसा किसका से. Set on. ऐसा means and that. What is it? And that, what is it? Set on. But answer you have to find out. Okay. Sitan, what is the answer? You have to find out with that. Next one, and you have to find out the relevant picture for that answer. Vasi on, what is the answer? Set on, say ray, set on the same. Vasi means here is a something. Say ray means it is true. It is a, the same thing should become. Letter and the picture. Next one, ऐसा किसका से, set on. Here we find out answer for that, and the letter and the picture should be mentioned. Evasi on, what is the answer? We on, same answer should be mentioned here. Say important ça means it's important that, and letter and the picture. A win something, regard means to look at. Arbon, or really. Arbon means or really. Say ma, answer, then letter and the picture. We don la, some word is there. Say sa means that's true, that's it. Say sa means that's it. We, yes. Don la, in the word you have to listen, then after that find out the letter and the picture.